Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we will start by the introduction to derivative, and the function is finding the derivative of minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 10. And after that, we're gonna find the slope of the tangent at point x equal to 3 to that function, and finally we will find the equation of the tangent at the point x equal to 3. But let's start with A, finding the derivative of minus x squared plus 3x plus 10. The formula is f prime of x is equal limit when h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. If we find the limit for that function, that will give us the derivative of f of x. And this is very easy. Here I have minus f of x is equal minus 5x squared. Here, minus 5x squared. But this is f of x. Here I have f of x plus h. So all what I have to do is replace x by x plus h. So I have minus 5x squared plus 3x. So I will replace those x's by x plus h. So f of x plus h, let's write it, x plus h equal minus 5, and instead of writing x, I will write x plus h square, because I have a square here, so I add it here, plus 3. Instead of writing x, we said we have to write x plus h plus 10, because that is f of x, and I have x here, f of x plus h, I have to replace x by x plus h. So my f of x plus h is equal, and here I realize x plus h squared, it resembles to a plus b squared. You studied that in previous years, which is equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So in that case, my x is my a and my h is my b, and the formula would give me minus 5. It's a squared, which is x squared, plus 2xh, 2ab, which is 2xh, plus b squared, in that case, plus h squared, plus 3x, plus 3h, plus 10. Let's get rid of these parentheses here. F of x plus h, let's write it down in a new page. So f of x plus h is equal, minus times plus is minus, so minus 5x squared, and minus times plus is minus 10xh, because 5 times 2 is 10, minus times plus is minus 5h squared, plus 3x plus 3h plus 10. Okay? So now I have my x plus h. All what I have to do is apply the formula here. I have the x plus h. I know what is f of x. They gave it to me, which is equal minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 10. And I have to divide it by h. So let's write the formula. I'm not going to write f prime of x equal to the limit because I don't have a lot of spaces. I will put the limit, but in reality, this is if you want f prime of x equal to the limit when h goes to 0 of x plus h. F of x plus h is here. So it is minus 5x squared minus 10xh minus 5h squared plus 3x plus 3h plus 10 minus f of x. In my case, it is minus 5x squared, because f of x is minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 10. And all that is divided by h. Now let's get rid of these parentheses. So it is equal to the limit when h goes to 0 of minus 5x squared minus 10xh minus 5h squared plus 3h plus 10, and here minus times minus is plus 5x squared, and this minus times this plus is minus 3x, and this minus times this plus is minus 10, and all that divided by h. And here I realize I have minus 5x squared plus 5x squared, which is 0. Sorry, you see here, no, it's all right. And then I have plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. And that's it. So these I can take out, minus 5x squared plus 5x squared plus 10 minus 10, and where did I copy this? I forgot to copy this 3x. I have a 3x here and I have minus 3x here. So let's put it plus 3x plus 3h plus 10 plus 3h plus 10. So this plus 10 and this minus 10 is equal to 0, and this minus 3x and this plus 3x, because I forgot to copy this 3x here, is equal to 0. So now my limit, when h goes to 0, I have minus 10xh minus 5h squared plus 3h divided by h. If you look at my numerator, I have h in common in every term, so I can factor out my h. So the limit when h goes to 0 of h minus 10x minus 5h plus 3, because I had h squared and I factored out h, that's why I have the h. And if you realize, I did not say when h equal to 0, when h tend to 0, that means h equals 0.0000001 or something, which is different than 0. That's why I can simplify by h in the numerator and the denominator. And now I have to calculate when h goes to 0 of that term, minus 10x minus 5h plus 3, which is equal minus 10x minus 5 multiplied by 0.0000001 is almost 0, so I'm not gonna write it, plus 3. So that is my derivative. So my f prime of x equal minus 10x plus 3. And this is question number A. Now, question number B, find the slope of that tangent at point x equal to 3. So the slope, let's call it m. The slope equal to m equal minus 10. I have to replace x by 3 plus 3. So minus 30 plus 3 is equal 27. So my slope is equal 27. That's question B. And question C, find the equation of the tangent at point x equal to 3. The equation of the tangent at x equal to 3. Now I have to find what is f of x, f of 3 actually. F of 3, I have to replace x by 3 in this f of x here, in this f of x. So minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 10. So my f of 3 is equal minus 5 3 squared plus 3x plus 3 times 3, because x is equal 3 in that case, plus 10. So f of 3 is equal minus 5 times 9, because 3 squared is 9, plus 9 plus 10, and 5 times 9 is 45. So minus 5 times 9 is equal minus 45 plus 9 plus 10, and all that would be equal to minus 26. So I have to find the equation of the tangent at point x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 26, and I know the slope is equal 27. So the tangent is a line. The equation of the line, y equal mx plus k, or maybe your teacher said y equal ax plus b, it's the same thing. The slope is the a or the m here. So, and I have to replace y by minus 26 and x by 3. So minus 26 equal 3, and my m is equal 27, sorry. 27 times 3 plus k or plus b, and I have to calculate my b. I'm sorry, here. 10 times, minus 10 times 3 is minus 30, plus 3 is minus 27 here. So it is minus 27 here. So minus 26 is equal, 27 times 3 is minus 81. Minus 27 times 3 is minus 81 plus b. So my b is equal minus 26 plus 81. My b is equal to 55. So the equation of the tangent at the point equal 3, and when the slope at, y equal minus 27x plus 55. That's the answer for that problem. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me tremendously, and it will encourage me to do more videos for you like this. And if you push the like button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening.